ha. Guess where she is?
At the library.
Ooh, library card.
It's my wallet. Oh, I wasn't using Wi-Fi on here. I don't want to waste it.
You don't waste Wi-Fi. You can stay on as long as you want. You're a fail.
Straight past by. All my days were spent by the telephone. Oh my God, it's Maslow. Surrounded, look at the time. It's already late. I need to get my phone today.
Can you stop?
Yeah.
Bye bye.